Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Online jewelry selling refers to the practice of selling jewelry items and accessories through internet-based platforms. This e-commerce approach offers a vast array of benefits to both sellers and buyers. For sellers, it provides a global reach, allowing them to tap into a larger customer base beyond their physical location. They can showcase their jewelry products with high-resolution images and detailed descriptions, making it easier for potential customers to make informed purchasing decisions. Additionally, online platforms often offer various marketing tools and analytics that help sellers understand customer preferences and improve their sales strategies. On the buyer's end, online jewelry shopping offers convenience and accessibility. Customers can browse through an extensive catalog of jewelry items from the comfort of their homes, without the limitations of physical store hours. Furthermore, online sellers frequently offer secure payment options and reliable shipping services, ensuring a smooth and safe purchasing experience. To build trust, many online jewelry sellers also provide certification or authentication for their products, assuring customers of the quality and authenticity of the jewelry they are purchasing. Overall, the online jewelry selling industry has transformed the way people shop for jewelry, providing a seamless and enjoyable experience for buyers while expanding the market reach for sellers. Making money from online jewelry selling requires careful planning, a solid strategy, and dedication. Here are some steps to help you get started and succeed in this venture. Build a professional online store. Invest in creating a visually appealing and user-friendly e-commerce website. Ensure that your website is mobile responsive, as many customers browse and shop using their smartphones and tablets. Include high-quality images and detailed product descriptions to showcase your jewelry effectively. Source quality products. Partner with reputable suppliers or artisans to ensure you offer high-quality jewelry pieces. Authenticity and craftsmanship are crucial for building trust with customers. Consider offering a mix of price points to cater to different budget ranges. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website and product pages for search engines to improve your online visibility. Use relevant keywords and meta tags to attract organic traffic and potential customers searching for jewelry products. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to ensure customer satisfaction and repeat business. Respond to inquiries promptly and handle any issues or returns with professionalism and care. Secure payment and shipping. Offer secure payment gateways and multiple payment options to instill confidence in your customers. Partner with reliable shipping services to ensure timely and safe delivery of the jewelry items. Leverage online marketplaces. In addition to your own website, consider selling on popular online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or eBay to access a larger customer base and benefit from their existing traffic. Offer customization and personalization. Providing personalized jewelry options can attract more customers who are looking for unique pieces to suit their preferences. Stay updated and adaptable. Keep track of industry trends, customer preferences, and emerging technologies. Be ready to adapt your strategies as the market evolves. Remember that success in online jewelry selling may take time, so be patient and persistent. Building a reputable brand and earning customer trust will be essential for long-term profitability. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.